Well, I think it's safe to assume that whatever process you have for hiring and onboarding in 2019 is not working the same in 2021. Virtually every job has changed in some way in the past 12 months. And I'll go back to the example earlier about a store or a restaurant that's gone from having customers come in to moving more towards delivery or curbside pickup. Those jobs have changed. Has your job description changed? Not only your safety protocols, but things like your transitional duty job bank. Has that changed to keep up with what's happened in your operation? And then are you hiring differently because the expectations are now different for those roles? So definitely think keeping that sharp eye, take that critical look at your operations and what's really changed and how do you need to adapt to it is absolutely worth doing through every permutation of this. And I'm going to go back to what Rich has said, what Dr. Iglesias said, that one of the biggest challenges we see is building an engaged team in an environment where people are onboarded remotely or when social distancing keeps you from really being hands-on during orientation. And I think about any environment where we're in a factory, a warehouse, we have people doing physical labor, manual labor, where there is a risk of injury. In the past, we might have had really direct observations in those early days and given direct feedback and do modeling of what the right actions are. Hard to do in today's environment for a variety of reasons.